Hey everyone! If you're having trouble signing into Guidde AI, whether you're getting login errors, stuck on the sign-in page, or your account won't load properly, this video will show you how to fix the most common Guidde AI login issues in 2026. First, double-check your email address and password. A simple typing mistake can prevent you from accessing your account. If needed, use the password reset option to create a new password. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Login requests require communication with Guidde servers, and connection issues can sometimes cause sign-in failures. If you're using Google Sign-In, verify that you're selecting the correct Google account. Many users have multiple Google accounts and accidentally try to log in with the wrong one. Another common fix is refreshing the page and trying again. Temporary website glitches can occasionally interrupt the login process. You should also clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with authentication and prevent successful sign-ins. If the problem continues, try opening Guidde in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps determine whether browser extensions or stored data are causing the issue. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact Guidde support and provide details about the error message you're seeing, along with the troubleshooting steps you've already tried. And that's how to fix Guidde AI login issues in 2026. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you get back into your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.